Hi everyone, Virtual Emcee Thamizharasan here from Chennai Event Emcees, entertainers and professionals, Event MC, MC trainer, MC manager and the founder of the above brands. In this video, I'm going to explain you what we do in a technical walkthrough session or technical dry run, what we do for the speakers, for a conference or whatsoever the event that happens online. So we call it as a technical run, or we call it as a dry run, mock run or walkthrough session, whatever you mean. Actually, every words have a different, every word has a different meaning. However, in as a generalized one, we use all these terminologies. All it means is just we are going to take a test session with the speaker to make them understand how the Zoom functionalities work, so that they can be comfortable enough, so that they can present with 100% confidence and also without any glitches or without anything messing up during the day of the event. So basically what happens when you have a let me take conference as an example, where a speaker comes, once a speaker comes, there will be an MC introducing the speaker, and then the speaker is going to speak, and sometimes the speaker is going to project PPT or video, whatsoever it is, and finally speaker is going to conclude. And also speaker would like to interact with the audience either over the voice, video or through the chat box. So these are the basic things involved in a conference in terms of the speaker. When it comes for MC or the event organizer, there are so many other things, creating the link and a lot of other things. But in speaker's perspective, what are the things speaker has to notice? Logging in Zoom and getting introduced by the MC, and then the speaker gives a talk using the PPT or the video, and interacting with the audience in the form of the chat or voice or the video. These are the basic things that a speaker should know. And beyond this, what are the other things that speaker should know is speaker's audio and the video quality, the background, and when the speaker wants to share the screen, whether he or she really knows how to do that, whether he is going to do the full screen share or a part of the screen, or all those things. These are the things the speaker has to be thorough. I wouldn't say thorough, at least the speaker should know what these things denote, or how these things to be done. So that is the reason we have the walkthrough session, where what are the things we focus on walkthrough session is mainly the audio and the video. We ask the speaker to come in the same setup what they are going to do for the real event. Only then, because sometimes during the test speaker would be using the outspeaker of the laptop, but during the session speaker may use a Bluetooth or a wired headset or something. So there could be difference in the voice, there could be some audio issues. So always we suggest, whatever the thing you have planned for your actual speech, please come in the same setup, including the lighting and also the place where they are going to sit. So basically we check the audio, we check the video. When I say video, the camera and also the background. So we see how the speaker looks with their backdrop. If it's not that professional, we suggest them, okay, this can be done. We just give them the suggestions, certain things what can be done. Or if they have a plain wall or a green screen, we suggest them to go for virtual background. We teach them how to go to virtual background. Most of the speakers, they may have the green mat, or they may even have a plain backdrop, but they may not be aware how to set a virtual background. So we teach them how to keep the virtual background, and how to be corrected, and what would be the plus and what would be the minus of having virtual background or a normal background. And then we teach them how to do the screen sharing. We give them the access, we make them do the screen sharing, and then we teach them where the chat box is and how the chat comes, and how they can interact with the audience. So these are the basic things we try in the test run or the dry run, so that once that's done, speaker can be 100% confident, and on the day of the event, all the speaker needs to do is, as I said in the beginning, they just log in all the things they know, because they've already done the screenshot during the test run, and they've already fixed their backdrop like how it has to be, and they have already fixed their audio and the video clarity issues, whatsoever it is, and they know where to look for the chat and how to respond to the chat. So these are the basic things we do. So if you are a speaker or a client, and if you like to get our technical support, whether we are going to host an event or not, but if you like to check all these things, if you want us to come on a Zoom call and check if all these things are okay for you, or if you want to get a little bit of training about these things, definitely you can approach us. You can contact us on our mobile number 900-308-7198, alternate number 86102-57395. You can get to know more about us in our website virtualemcees.com, and you can like our Facebook page Virtual Event Emcees to get regular updates about our events. And also you can watch our videos in our YouTube channel Virtual Event Emcees, and also our other channel Chennai Event Emcees. This Virtual Emcee Thamizharasan signing off. Have a wonderful time.